To create a party in Moomoo.io, start by opening the game and logging into your account. Once you are in the game, click on the play button to join a game mode. You will see a list of available game modes, including party mode. Click on the party mode option and then click on create party. You will be asked to choose a party name and set a party password. Choose a unique name for your party and set a password that is easy to remember. Click on the Create Party button to create your party. You will then be taken to the party lobby where you can invite friends to join your party. To invite friends, click on the Invite Friends button and enter the names of the friends you want to invite. You can also share the party link with your friends so they can join your party. Once your friends have joined the party, you can start playing together. You can choose from a variety of game modes, including Team Deathmatch and Capture the Flag. Make sure to communicate with your team throughout the game to increase your chances of winning. Creating a party in Moomoo.io is a great way to play with your friends and have a more enjoyable gaming experience. By following these steps, you can create a party and start playing with your friends in no time. Remember to always follow the game rules and guidelines to ensure a safe and fun gaming experience for everyone. With practice and teamwork, you and your friends can become a formidable team and dominate the game. The key to success in Moomoo.io is to work together and use your unique skills and abilities to outmaneuver your opponents. By creating a party and playing with your friends, you can take your gaming experience to the next level and have a blast playing Moomoo.io.